Hi, I'm here to tell you about the best protective style for my 4C hair and why. I am actually wearing that style right now, and it's 2 strand twists. The reason why this is the best protective style for my hair is because there's so many benefits, and I'll share them with you. They are super convenient. Literally a get up and go type of hairstyle. If you're working and you're busy and you just need to wake up and go, this is the best hairstyle for you, because all you have to do is take off your satin bonnet, fluff your hair a little bit, and you're out the door. They're versatile. You can style a 2 strand twist in any way possible. You can have an updo, you can have it down, half down, bantu knots, curl it, color it, put it up, put it down. You can wear them to work, to a party, to an event, to a birthday, in the house. There's so many ways that you can style 2 strand twists. They're really lightweight, as you can tell, and there's no tension to your hair whatsoever. If you're looking to save your edges, this is the best style for you because it doesn't pull your edges. Your edges are free. You know all those hairstyles when you do at the salon and they pull on your hair and you have to take painkillers for them? This is not one of them. It's also a low manipulation hairstyle because it lets your scalp and your hair rest. I've had my tiny twist in for about 4 weeks now. That means that I'm not over manipulating my hair. It just lets my hair breathe. And as a content creator where I have to do so many hairstyles in such a short period of time, I always like to do twists where it gives my hair a break because I don't want to lose my hair. 2 strand twists are the best way to also retain moisture in your hair. It's so easy to moisturize. I'll share just how I moisturize my hair in a bit. And once you moisturize the hair, it retains that moisture for a longer period of time. My hair is low porosity, which means it takes a while to absorb moisture and it also loses moisture quite quickly. So this is a game changer for my hair. It's protective, and that means that it protects my hair. Having my hair in twists just means that I have less tangles, I have less knots. I'm not trying to detangle my hair. It's just the best way to have my hair. Another reason why I love twists is because it enables me cut my ends. So whenever I'm trying to put my hair into 2 strand twists and I take out a section just before I twist, I just take the hair, stretch it a little bit, and I cut the ends. I cut about ½ an inch off every 3 months. It's so easy to do because I'm putting my hair in small sections, and that way I'm able to cut my ends while I twist my hair. It also helps in length retention. I know we all want healthy hair, but we all want that length. Twists are the best way to retain length because of all the reasons I have given: low manipulation, moisture retention, all of that. It helps in maintaining the length of your hair and causes less breakage. I've just shared with you all the amazing benefits of 2 strand twists. Let me tell you how easy it is to moisturize. I spray water in my hair, just a little bit of water to make it damp a little bit. I apply leave-in conditioner to my hair just to seal in that moisture. I oil with scalp oil or scalp cream, and that's it. Literally takes me 5 minutes every other morning or every 2 days. All of those reasons, benefits, and so much more that I have shared are the reason why 2 strand twists is the easiest, healthiest, and best protective hairstyle for my 4C hair. You should definitely try putting your hair in 2 strand twists, and I promise you see the difference. If you have any more questions you want to ask me about 2 strand twists or any protective style whatsoever, send me a message on my social media handles and I'll definitely respond. Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. I hope this was beneficial to you. Bye!